everyone. Today I am wearing this apron. Do you know what I am going to do? Yes, we are going to do painting activity. We have a waste roll. This balloon we should we cut it from here. You can see also. Yellow paint with this brush. This is already yellow color. And we have the red paint, bubble wrap, tape. We have tape. First we will paint this tube. It's very nice to paint. Oh, it is looking so great, like a light and with brown. Great. Now I color it so fully. Use this bubble wrap and we will dip in this red and put somewhere. We have colored it with red. Now we will wait till it will dry and we will put this. By the way, you know what we are making? Making balloon. Now we will put this balloon to cover it. I will paste this. Now we secured it with this tape. Now we can use anything hollow like this and put it inside it. Now we will put on this. Now our balloon is ready. I am so excited to play. Try to make it at home. Subscribe and like.